Hello, Ms. Rafia. My name is Romheir Pablo, and this is my technical breakdown for the web development module. I adapted the holiday responsive design brief to engineer a highly interactive, mobile-first professional portfolio. Instead of a traditional static About Me page, I utilized the modern UX approach by building a dynamic CSS bento grid right on the landing page to deliver my professional identity instantly. The brief emphasized a 78% mobile user base. To execute this flawlessly, I built the site using CSS Grid with autofit and min-max properties, paired with the media queries at the 768 pixel breakpoint. As you can see, the layout and fluid typography automatically collapses into a single highly legible column for mobile devices without any horizontal scrolling. Navigating to the Scuba page, we hit my most significant technical implementation: the Universal Cinematic Crossfade Engine. Standard HTML5 videos often flash a harsh black screen when looping or changing sources. To solve this, I engineered a custom vanilla JavaScript engine that manages two hidden video players. While player A is visible, player B buffers the next video in the next array. Every 6 seconds, the JavaScript swaps their CSS classes, triggering a smooth opacity crossfade. Visually, I use CSS Mix Blend Multiply to cut the text out of the background, allowing the video to play inside the letters. I also added a JavaScript event listener that tracks the mouse's X and Y coordinates to create this interactive parallax movement you are seeing here. Here are the videos and the dives in Boracay in Philippines. Interactivity is here. Let's move. Moving to the music page, a core principle of modern web development is writing modular, reusable, or the dry principle. Don't repeat yourself. Because my JavaScript crossfade engine is modular, I successfully applied these exact same functions across my music and badminton pages simply by passing different media arrays and CSS root color variables into the script. This is another example of the modular code that we are using across Scuba, music, and badminton. Moving to the Cyber page, during my iterative UX testing, I realized the text masking technique had a flaw. When placed over complex static documents like professional certificates, the text became illegible. Therefore, for the Cyber page, I made a critical UX pivot. I engineered a secondary JavaScript engine specifically for image crossfading, darkened the background, and applied a heavy CSS text shadow to create this neon hacker aesthetic. Below the grid utilizes the object fit contain property to ensure these high-definition assets maintain their original aspect ratio without distortion. To ensure the users can properly verify these credentials, which are these certificates, I built a JavaScript lightbox model. The script listens for clicks on any achievement image, clones the source into a full screen overlay, and freezes the body scroll to maintain user focus. Clicking the X securely closes it and restores normal DOM functions. Finally, for the contact page, I wanted to push the boundaries of the brief. Rather than relying on standard third-party libraries like Particle.js, I engineered a custom geometric particle system using the HTML5 Canvas API and vanilla JavaScript. The script utilizes request animation frame for smooth rendering and calculates geometric distance formulas to create a mouse repulsion effect, delivering a highly optimized interactive background. I paired this with the Glassmorphism contact form featuring simulated asynchronous validation. Using JavaScript setTimeout functions, the form mimics server-side communication. It transitions from an encrypting loading state to a green success state, as seen here, clearing the inputs. This demonstrates a comprehensive understanding of UX feedback loops and front-end state management. Through a combination of CSS Grid, complex DOM manipulation, and custom JavaScript engines built from scratch, I have delivered a fully customized cross-device compatible portfolio that exceeds the technical requirements of the brief. Thank you for your time and guidance during this module, Ms. Rafia, and this is my work. Thank you.